Alright, so recently Facebook just updated its UI in the web version, and it doesn't allow you to see who shares your posts. As you can see here, for example, I have my post over 1,000 of share, and I don't know how to know who shares. Previously we just click the number, but clicking the number is just gonna share it. So actually there is still a way you can know who shares your post. The way I do is basically clicking the date time here, and then you will need to take the post ID. This series of number is a post ID, and then you will need to remember this specific URL: facebook.com/shares/view question mark ID, and then your ID. So we just need to copy this specific URL and then paste it here, removing this slash at the end, and then just enter it. And now you'll be able to see who share your post here. As you can see, many people sharing. Let's test in another post. This one is video, but let's just test with normal post, maybe post with an image. So I've got where is it? Okay, this post, and like before, clicking the date time. In this case, it didn't reveal the post ID. Okay, so how to get the post ID here? Maybe via share? No. Let's clicking the image. Okay, clicking the image, reveal. It should be this one, FBID. Let's just paste it again and remove the suffix here, and then enter. Alright, there you go. It is revealing who shares your post. Thank you very much. Hope it worked for you.